Hello everyone, today we are going to do Leetcode problem of the day. The problem name is restore the array, and the problem statement is that we have been given a string s, and we have to partition the string such that in each partition each number should be greater equal to 1 and less than equal to k. Let us understand this example. Like we have 1317 and the value of k is 2000. The first partition is the first solution is we can merge them, like we can write the single number 1317. In the second solution, what we can do is we can write 131 and 7. So these are two numbers, and these two numbers are greater than 0 and less than equal to k. In the third partition, we can write 13 and 17. In the 4, we can write 1 comma 137. So I hope you must have understood the problem. Now let us move to the approach. So let us say we have let us think without any constraint. Like let us assume that we do not have any k. So let us say we have only one number 5. So in how many ways we can write 5? We can write only in one way. So okay, that's good. If we had 2 5, in how many ways we can write? So we can write 2 as a separate, and in how many ways we can write 5? Only one way. Okay, so this is one possible solution. And if we merge 2 and 5, so we can write 2 5. Okay, let us say we have 3 to 5. If we write 3 as a separate, so 3 in, so the remaining numbers are 2 and 5. In how many ways we can write 2 and 5? We can write in two ways. First is 2 5 and 25. Okay, and if we merge 3 and 2 in one number, so if we have 3 and 2, so let me write it here. So if we merge 3 and 2, in how many ways? So the remaining number is only 5, because we have merged 3 and 2, the remaining number is 5. So in how many ways we can write 5? There is only one way, and the one way is 5 only. Okay, now so like if we have 1 2 3 5, so if we do separate, if we write 4 as a separate, so the remaining number is 3 to 5. 3 to 5 can be written in 2 and this, and we will write 2 3 5 and this. So we can write two step and one more and 4. So there will be 4 ways to write 3 to 5. Okay, so this is the approach. What we will do is we will make a dp of I will store the number of ways to write the string from I to n minus 1. Okay, what I'm trying to say is that, let us take this example. We have 1 3 1 and 7. Okay, let us do the indexing. It will be 0 1 2 and 3. Okay, so dp of 3 will be 1. Okay, because dp of 3 is 1, because we are considering only element 7, so only one way to write 7, because we are dp of I will store the number of ways. Dp of I will store number of ways to write a string from I to n minus 1. I to n minus 1. Okay, so dp of 3 comma n minus 1 is there is only one element, so and it is less than equal to k and greater than equal to 1. So there is only one way. Okay, dp of 2 is 17. What we can do is, if we separate one, if we write only one and write 7 as a separate number, so in how many ways we can arrange 7? So that will be dp of 3. Okay, and if we write 1 7, that will be another answer, so it will be two ways. Okay, dp of 3 is 317. Okay, so if we write 3 as a separate number and 1 7 as another number, so 1 7 here can be arranged in two ways. So dp of 2 plus, if we write 3 1 and 3 1 is less than equal to k and greater than 0, so in how many ways 7 can be arranged? 7 is the answer for 7 is stored at index 3, because 7 is at 3. So dp of 3 plus, if we write 317 in the same number, so that will be one way. So the answer for this will be 2 plus 1 plus 1, and that will be 2 1 3 and 4. Okay, this will be dp of 1, and dp of 0, it will be 1317. So if we write 1 as another component, another number, and 137 as another number, so in how many ways we can arrange 137? So it will be 4 ways. Okay, if we write 1 3, so in how many ways we can arrange 1 7? It will be 2. Okay, if we write 1 3 1, so in how many ways we can arrange 7? It will be 1. Okay, and 1 3 1 is less than equal to k greater than 0, 1 3 is less than k and less than equal to k and greater than 0. Okay, so all the conditions are being fulfilled. So if we write 1317 as a single number, it is less than equal to k and greater than 0, so it will be another number. So the sum is 2 4 2 4 6 1 7 and 8. So the answer is 8. So this is the approach. We will find the size of the array, and we will initialize our dp, and dp of n is equal to 0. Like we were taking 1 2 3. If we take 1 2 3 as a separate component, I mean in the single component, single number, so for n will indicate the last index. So here what we will do, we will traverse from the reverse direction according to our approach, and I minus minus, we will initialize our value at 0, and j as I. If si is equal to 0, like if we have a number 1 0 1 2, this cannot be a single number, as any number cannot start with 0, as it is mentioned here that there is no leading 0. So if si is 0, we cannot start any number with 0. So here dp of I will be 0, and we will continue. Else what we will do, we will traverse until j is greater than 0, and the value is less than equal to k. Like if we have 1 2 3 4 and the value of k is 5, then here we can only take 1, we cannot take 1 2. and add the answer for 3 4. We will only take 1 and add the answer for 2 3, and we will break. So this is what I'm doing. So I will add it into number and sj minus 0. So what I'm doing is, let us say we have 1 2 3. Initially value is 0. Now in the next step value will be become 1, in the next step value will become 1 2, in the next step value will become 1 2 3. So this is what I'm doing here. And if val is greater than 0 and val is less than equal to k, then here I will initialize my answer, and the answer is equal to 0, and we have to take the modulo also. So I will do mod 199 plus 7, and what I will do is answer mod plus dp of j plus 1 mod and j plus plus. So here actually I am adding the answer, adding j plus 1 into the answer and taking the modulo. Okay, and after this we will store it at the dp of I and return dp of 0. So now let us run it. Here we have any error. So what is the error? Let me see. Here we have index 5 out of bound. So dp of j plus 1, it will be j plus plus and j less than n. Okay, sorry, we have error. Okay, here it will be 1. Now let us see. Now all everything is right. Now let us run it now. So this is the answer. This is the C++ code. Now let us convert it into Java code. Let me copy it. Let me write it into Java. So this is the Java code. I will initialize the dp of size n plus 1, and I have initialized mod, and I have put dp of n is 1. We are traversing from the reverse direction. The currently value is 1 and the index is I. If the current index value is 0, then we will put dp of I is 0, and we will continue as we will initialize our answer, and until while the j is less than n and the value is less than equal to k, we will find the current character and we will add it into the value. If the value is greater than 0 less than k, we will add it dp of j plus 1 in our answer, and we will do j plus plus. In the end we will assign dp of I as answer, and we will return the dp of 0. Let us run it. Now submit it. So this is the solution. Thank you for watching. Paste it. What I will do